Splatter Screen is made of perforated stainless steel and is easier to clean, plus won't clog or burn like mesh screens. Fits frying pans up to 13 inches wide. Concentric rings center and secure screen on frying pan. Soft, comfortable screen handle conveniently nests over frying pan handle. Screen handle folds flat for compact storage.Dishwasher safe. Keep your stove and countertops clean with the OXO Good Grip Splatter Screen. Made of perforated stainless steel, the Splatter Screen keeps grease contained when you fry bacon, sausages, potatoes and more. The screen fits frying pans up to 13 inches wide and features grooved rings to rest the screen on different sized pans. The soft, comfortable handle locks securely in the open position and folds down for compact storage. Helpful hint: the Splatter Screen is also perfect for making crisp stovetop popcorn. Top reviews from the United States. Very sturdy. I never knew all metal splatter screens existed, until about 4 weeks ago, while visiting my mom. This thing is a godsend for my kitchen. I have been buying the flimsy splatter screens from Walmart, a 2-pack at $7, and my hubby was using them as a strainer for when he was done cooking whatever would pop and sizzle. Those flimsy screens would rip from the frame, and he had to stop using them for that since it was costly to replace them, and they couldn't go in the dishwasher. This screen is the exact opposite. It can be used as a splatter screen and a strainer. It's great. And you can put it in the dishwasher, and not worry about the screen rusting. I think I might buy another one, just so I can have two.